Where's Lily going?
School.
School. Naka-Spanish pa yan siya. Sana all, Lily. Bahala ngit-ngit
Right. Siapa ba?
Let us go. Ready, girls?
Go.
You look cute, Celine.
And ate?
And ate? I'm back at home kasi book week pala ngayon sa school ni Baby Celine, guys. And hindi namin na-gets yung memo man. So, pumunta siya ng school with the normal dress. Tapos ngayon, pagkarating niya doon, yung mga friendship niya ay naka-outfit, naka-costume. So, ayan. Pagpipilian natin dito kasi ibabalik ko doon, guys. Kasi wawa naman yun siya. Ma-out of place ba? Dalhin natin yung kanyang pa-outfit. No, it's too big. No, boy! Ito sana Cinderella ba? Oh. Ito kasi maganda. Or, kasi remember the other day sa Ate Paris ay nag-book week din yung sinuot niya yung Elsa. Pero dirty naman yun. Kailangan na yung labhan. Yung kanyang Snow White ay nilabhan ko man din. So, meron ding ganyan, Ariel. Nandito tayo ngayon sa shopping center, guys. Si Daddy Mike ay bumili lang ng kape. So, nandito kasi yung library na pupuntahan ni Daddy Mike, guys. Kasi kailangan niyang pumunta sa attorney or tinatawag nila ditong solicitor sa Australia. Kasi may kailangan siyang ipapermahan. Kaya kami nandito.
My initials.
Dad?
No, I thought it was initials.
Huh?
I thought it was just initials.
No, it's Dad. It's for Father's Day.
MM. JM. What?
Daddy, you're so like... What's MMJM?
Martha McKenzie, Trevor McKenzie.
Alright, Daddy. Justice of Peace. Ayan siya. 10 to 2.
Yeah,
So we're done with the Justice and Peace, guys. Permahan na. Kailangan permahan para ma-release ang $100 million na Daddy. Where are we going na, Daddy?
to the $2 up. For some games.
So, alam niyo ba, bukas ay birthday celebration ni Celine. Sa birthday niya last week, diba? Pero hindi kami nag-celebrate. Tomorrow is the day with the family, yung mga relatives ko dito sa Brisbane, guys. And we are, obviously, luto-luto. And, ayan, that's what I'm looking for. Ayan, balloon.
Just have a look in here too quickly.
Balloon. Ay, sus, kanay mo, Daddy. Ikaw na dyan.
Ay, what?
Yeah, now we're just gonna get the number 3. Number 3. We'll go get the gold one. Let's see. We don't need other things actually. We'll ask first kung magkano tong kanilang yung balloon. Ano? Baka mahal to. You can actually use this one. Oh. Kasi late na mag-start yung party namin bukas. Actually, it's not bunga-bunga party ha. Like, family lang ba? Family gathering lang. But, kung magdilim na siya, we can use this one. How big is this? 30 cm. Ito na ginoga? Yes. Yes. This is enough? Again?
$23.49, please. Which color string you want to use? Just come around and have a look.
Okay.
I'll choose.
Yeah, you choose.
Just hold it a bit.
Oh.
Yeah, that's it.
Thank
Just
you.
Or you want a table height or floor height?
Floor height, that would be great. Nandito kami sa loob ng Big W. Dala-dala na Daddy Mike ang kanyang number 3. Oh, here, Daddy. Oh, great. Half price. This one. Oh, this is not half price here. Ito lang pala yung half price.
You just need like...
This one's. That ba? So, magpapalaro din kasi kami bukas, guys. So, si Daddy Mike ay nag-isip siya ng palaro. And then, meron na rin akong palaro. Yung balloon. Ewan ko kung ano yung naisip niya. Oh my God. Ang lalaki nito, guys. Grabe. Party size na. Is that what you're thinking, Trista?
It's so expensive here.
What's that, Bob?
That's where you like hold, you spin it.
And then you follow?
Yeah, so like you might get like red 6, so you have to like put your foot on red 6. So now it's put in and you're like all tangled up with each other.
Okay, that sounds fun. Gusto ko talagang bilhin, guys. I think this is going to be fun. Mahal, ha? Wala, baby? Kami sa Big W, guys. Kakain lang daw muna kami kasi gutom na. Daddy, we can actually go to the Asian grocery store, though. I might not need to go to Coco's, though. Bibili ako ng mga lulutuin ko ba for tomorrow. We're gonna have our lunch here now, guys. Kasi ang oras na. This Daddy should try this. Mr. Do's. It is ready. Lemongrass chicken vermicelli salad. The same to siya nung in-order ko sa bakery na malapit sa bahay namin. And mine is Conboe. It's my favorite. Thank you, Daddy. Hindi masyadong bet, guys, yung kanilang Conboe. Kasi iba yung noodles na ginamit nila. Hanaro Mart. Last time kasi nung nandito kami, nakita ko may Filipino stuff sila dito. So, alam yung hinahanap ko, yung pang adobo, yung mga ganun ba. It's here. Oh, Bob, we should get Paris something like this, Bob. Oh, she loves this. The seaweed. She loves seaweed. That's 16 pieces.
Yeah.
For her lunchbox, Bob. She'd love that.
Which is the one you get her?
Surprisingly, Paris loves this. Try seaweed, seaweed, seaweed. They have the Filipino. Oh, I have two of this already. Oh yeah, anyway, so I'll grab. Yeah, see? Yeah, alright, Daddy. We don't need to go to see. I'll show you mga pinamili namin, guys, sa Asian store. Kopi ko. Louis boy, Bob, is that water for him? Sarap nito, guys. Cappuccino candy. I got nata de coco. 4. Actually, binili ko to, guys, kasi gusto kong gumawa ng I don't know. I'll see here, babe. Ito lang kasi yung meron ko. But maybe they have it in Woolies or Coles. Gusto kong mag-salad, mag-fruit salad bukas. But kulang na kulang tayo sa mga ingredients, guys. Ito, binili ko to siya last time pa. Before Melbourne pa ata. Bumili ako nito extra. May dalawa ako dyan. So, lulutuin natin yan bukas. What's wrong? Daddy is in the bathroom. Dry clean your ticket. Oh, it's ready for pick up. Ang bilis, ha? Hapon ko pa yung dinala. Dinala ko yung mga Burberry trench coat ko. Pinadry clean ko hapon. And it's ready for pick up na daw. Seaweed for Ate Paris. That's not for your little boy. Adobo mix. Tocino. Ayan, lutuin ko ng bukas. Kimchi. And I bought this for the girls. Really going to like this. This is jelly strip. Lagay ko kayo ito sa freezer, no? Kasi mas, mas mahilig sila sa, ice. And, so I went to Portman's. Pumasok ako kasi naka 40% off sila. So, hindi talaga ako pumapasok ng Portman's before, guys. Kasi, I remembered last time pagpasok ko ng Portman's noong nag-work pa ako sa office. And I felt like, more on like office yung kanilang mga, office na clothing ang kanilang mga paninda. But, when we were in Melbourne, si Ate Wing, sinama niya ako doon. And, remember my denim dress? I bought it from there and I love it. Nung sinuot ko yun, nung nagbenta kami sa, yung Sunday market, like, I have a couple of people, like, complimenting about it. So, bumalik ako ulit, and ito yung nabili ko. Ito yung, at the moment, is very, trendy na tops, diba? Ayan siya. So, price niya ay $99.95 and 40% off. But, hindi nagtapos doon, guys. Kasi, yung gusto ko sana is yung white. But, unfortunately, they didn't have the size 8. Meron silang size 10. And, size 10 is a bit too big for me. Yung dito sa kilikili bitaw, mas malaki siya ba? So, hindi siya magandang tingnan. Kahit si Daddy Mike sabi niya, wag. So, pagkababa namin, guys, ay merong kukay. Ayan. So, Mommy ended up getting similar, but in white. Kasi gusto ko siyang i-pair sa Zara, pink na Zara, na silk siya, na skirt, na binili ko from Melbourne. Para sa birthday ni Celine Lucas. So, yes. Nakagasto si Mommy niyo. Mga pa-style ngayon eh. Ayan. Lately kasi ganito yung uso na dumitan. Ayan. Ito siya, guys, full priced. Doon kasi nagsisale sila, pero yun lang mga tawag dito. Minsan yung mga sinesale nila, yung mga last piece, yung mga malalaking size, or mga pinakamaliit na size, yung mga ganun. So, yung size ko kasi, guys, na size 8, yun yung parang size ng masa. Ganun. So, ito siya, medyo masakit siya sa bulsa, kung iisipin. But, it's very, it's staple sa closet mo. Like, you can pair it with anything. I can already see myself wearing jeans with it. Like denim, anything denim with it. Pants and skirt. And because it's white, it's versatile. Like, you can pair it with any color. Explain pa more. Justify your purchase. We're just back, guys. So, pinick up ko na ang ating Ate Paris. At nandito lang tayo ngayon sa dry cleaners kasi ready na yung pinadry clean natin.
Can you tell me what we're going to do today?
Yes. No, we'll go post office.
We'll go post office and then pick up Celine?
Nah, we'll leave first and then pick up Celine.
Oh.
Alright, so they're already closed. Actually, 3 o'clock sila ko-close, guys. But, it's fine kasi pwede mo pick up dito kahit walang tao. High-tech talaga eh. May issue itong machine na to. Kanina pa kami dito, guys. So, I gotta pay 86. Oh my god! You gotta be kidding me. Something went wrong with that purse.
So Mama's picking it up now, and there she is holding it. So Mama, what is it? Is it a dress or is it a skirt?
These are the Burberry trench coats, but the one that I wore in Melbourne. So kailangan na siyang linisan para maitago and ready for next winter. Marami. Actually, ayan oh. Jacket. What's belt? Ah, yeah. Got jumper, trouser, isang business shirt, and then one scarf.
So we're going to go back to the car, and we'll see you later. Bye.
What's this? Ah, is that your... That's Daddy's business, guys. El Capitano Enterprises.
The one that's making all that money. Daddy's got $0 in there. It's not funny about that.
We're going to Morningside Woolies. More food shopping, guys, para lutuin natin bukas. So dito tayo bibili ng chicken, ng pork, drinks and everything, and cake actually, kasi hindi pa kami nakabili ng cake kasi wala sila yung hinahanap namin. Ate, doon sa Carindale.
The toy section has birthday decoration.
No, we don't need it, Baba girl.
Please.
Wait, this one.
What's the cheapest thing I could do?
Have a look at this, guys. Naghahanap ako para sa ating fruit salad. Daddy, look. Manufactured by... Read it. Can you find me?
For the Filipinos?
Oh yeah, it's the... Oh, no, that's not the one. I don't know, because I just found this one here. I need more of this.
Yeah, isn't it? For a mix.
Where?
What's the brand?
Dough. It's fruit chunks.
Oh, it's tropical fruit chunks.
That's what I mean. I couldn't find it.
Ma, can we have some lolly?
Okay. Oh yeah, there.
Right.
Can you grab 2 more, please? Thank you.
Mommy and Daddy are packing the car now, and we're going to pick up Celine. So there they are. Say hi, Mama.
Here's our cake.
Hey!
I had that cake for my birthday.
Did you? Is that your cake?
Yeah.
No, Lily's birthday. Remember? I think that's Lily's birthday one.
So we're gonna pack it now. Oh, sorry. And here is all the stuff.
I think it's that one's for her birthday.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's true, Daddy.
Where did you have your birthday again?
Artie's birthday.
Yeah. This year.
Artie's birthday this year was at that
Going on the corner.
the river.
So earlier, nawalan ako nito, guys. Oh my god! I'm so excited. Gawa ako ng fruit salad. Alam niyo ba, this is very like phyllo. Kasi yung ginamit ko ng mga ingredients ay talagang, guys, yung condensed milk ay, from Filipino store, I think. And then, itong, yung fruit mix ay gawang Pilipinas din. So, I'm super happy kasi, even though very similar, guys, dito, different brand, pero yung mga prutas na dito, iba yung lasa. ibang-iba yung lasa. So, for me, like, you know, pag galing, Filipino store, kahit hindi Filipino store, basta gawang Pinas. I'm very happy kasi sa Woolworths merong, pinakita namin kayo na iba. And then, nilagyan ko ng nata de coco. Oh my God. And then, have this one. Lutuin ko to siya. Bukas ba? Hindi. What I'm gonna do, ikakat ko to siya. And then, meron tayong, ano yung binili ko? Natocino mix. So, i-marinate natin siya sa tocino mix. And then, we'll cook it tomorrow. Hi, Louie. Stop now. Here. Say hi, guys. Look at my dress.
Mommy, give me two. Give me two.
So, do you like this one for tomorrow? You know, Mama is cooking for you for your birthday celebration tomorrow.
Mom, I want to eat that now.
You don't have to eat. This is for our friends and family. It's coming.
Mom, I'll bring my friends for Leo.
Leo?
Yeah.
You know, Seth is coming tomorrow.
And my Leo. And my teacher.
Your teacher?
He come back to my...
Which teacher?
All the teachers.
All the teachers. How old are you? How old are you?
They're in my cake. I'm there sharing cake.
Yeah, share the cake. Show Tita B how old you are.
I'm 3.
What's the 3 like this? 3.
4.
Oh, it's 3.
3.
Yeah, Lenny is 3.
Last month, I made eat that.
No, you don't need to eat this, okay? I love you, babe. Beautiful girl. Thanks.
You
So, ito yung
get candy.
isa.
You can get it if you want.
That's right, yeah. Mama will have it. And this is the second batch. Yeah. It's gonna be fun.
Mom, 2 friends.
2 friends.
Let's come back. Do you get a cake?
Louie. No, please, mate. So, dalawang tray na spaghetti for tomorrow. Na-marinate ko na ang ating tocino. That's ready. And then yung adobo natin, we'll just cook it. I'm happy. Are you excited for tomorrow, princess?
Mommy, but...
Blow?
Blowing.
Wala na. No, you're using everything naman, anak.
Sorry.
Yeah, you can do it because we have to use this for tomorrow.
Okay.
No, nagkaon ng
Mom,
ice.
I'm getting ice.
I know, silly ate. It's bedtime. Come on, ayaw may matulog nito eh. Kailangan pumasok na rin ako sa kwarto para matulog itong dalawa. Alright, come here. Let's go say goodnight to Tita and Tito. Say goodnight to Tita and Tito.
Good night.
Good night, guys. Good night, everyone. Ayan.
Good night.
Pasok ko na to sila sa kwarto kasi ayaw nilang pumasok ng kwarto na wala ako. So, dito sila matutulog. Maaga pa si Ate Paris bukas kasi may gymnastics
Mom,
siya.
the D's broken.
Yes, the DD is broken.
Mom, not drink it. I touch it.
Only touch it. Not drink it, only touch it. I love you so much, Lenny.
Love you so much too. Big hat.
A big heart. Oh, so sweet. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Samahan nyo kami bukas sa birthday celebration ni Baby Celine. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
be careful. Boy.
Bye. Mwah.
I love you too much again.
I love you too much again. Here you go. Kiss Mama.